Hello and good day my dear gourmet friends. Today we're going to make a beautiful Japanese ponzu sauce. Ponzu, shōyu also called. Very easy to make, very tasty. All you need is the right ingredients. I'm going to use about 20 centiliters of premium soy sauce. I got about 6 to 7 grams of bonito flakes, katsuobushi. I'm also going to use 2 small sheets of Kombu kelp. A small chili. I'm using a Sichuan chili because I prefer the flavor of this chili. Most important of course is the fresh citrus flavor, and I'm going to use about 10 centiliters of Yuzu juice. This is pure pressed Yuzu. If you have troubles to find Yuzu juice, you can replace it by a pressed lemon and a pressed mandarin, or even better, a pressed lemon, a lime and a mandarin. And we're also going to use 10 centiliters of mirin wine, mirin cooking wine. And what you need is a glass jar. We're going to add the bonito flakes in the jar, the chili, the Kombu kelp. There we go. Now we're going to add the soy sauce, 20 centiliters, 10 centiliters of mirin wine, and 10 centiliters of pressed Yuzu or Yuzu juice. And I'm going to let this marinate for 24 hours in my fridge. Now what you have to know is the longer you marinate the sauce, the stronger the bonito flakes flavor and the kelp flavor becomes. And I'll see you back in 24 hours. So we're 24 hours later, and all there's left to do now is just to filter our ponzu sauce. Just want to press it a little bit to get all of the good juices out of there. That smells so good already. And here we go. Just give it a little taste test. Very, very nice. That's a great dip sauce for any meat or seafood, sashimi, sushi. It's quite a concentration of flavors, so you just need to give it a little dip, so it doesn't need a lot to pour from your meat or seafood. Easy, very tasty ponzu shōyu sauce. You can keep this sauce in your fridge from 2 to 3 weeks. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.